In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a stroke or an outline to any graphical image in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get into it. Here I have my subject loaded into Photoshop. Now to add a stroke to the outline of this subject, we want to go over to the Layers panel, double click on this layer with our mouse, and this is going to bring up the Layer Style property window. What we then want to do is go ahead and click on the stroke setting, and by doing this we can see that we have a white outline around our subject there. Now this is something that you can customize to fit your own projects. For this example, we're going to make the stroke around 10 pixels. I'm going to keep it on the outside. I will show you what inside looks like and center. For this example, I'm going to use outside. I find that looks better. We can change the blend mode of it. I'm going to keep that to normal. And then we can also change the opacity of it too. I'm going to keep that at 100%. You also have the option to change the color of the stroke, which you can do. You can make it any color that you like. I'm just going to keep it as white. And there we have it. We have added a stroke to our subject in Photoshop. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.